can't wait. I just can't wait. Tonight we're gonna open this troll thing, which I love trolls. Well, I love trolls so much because they're very tiny. And they can fit through little creaks of doors. Well, I don't like a creak. Well, he's a troll. Here we have a fuzzbird. Another fuzzbird. Here we have a little fly. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Here we have fuzzbird again. We have a little crawly bug. Crawl, 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 crawl. I think it's a caterpillar. Here we have a little creature. Oh, so cute. Aww, a rabbit. Bop, bop, bop. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. And here we have Mr. Jingles, which Biggie loves. And Biggie speaks worm. he can speak worm. And here's Mr. Dinkles's pot. No, I think it's one of the fuzzbirds' pot. Here we have a cake. Slice. Look, somebody ate a slice. I think it was Mr. Dinkles. Here we have a cupcake. And another cupcake. And another cupcake. And a queen crown. That doesn't sound too bad. And a skateboard. Ooh. Here we have Biggie's pot. Well, it's not Biggie's, it's Queen Poppy's. Here we go, Queen Poppy. I think we have to put her on this. I'm gonna put her on the skateboard. I hope she's up to fun stuff. Yep, she is. I see her smiling. Here she has her little thingy, her queen thingy. And she loves to queen. She loves to be queen. And she always loves stickers. Okay, it's not stickers. We'll just leave those at. Choo. Thanks for visiting my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Make sure to press the comments below to subscribe to my channel. Bye!